While you're reading this disclaimer, don't forget to subscribe, tap that like button, and blow kisses towards your trading charts in hopes it'll help your trading session today. What is going on, trading kings and queens? Adam King here. Super excited to get into this with you. I just want to preface this entire, not just video, but this entire Futures Basics course with just a quick couple of notices here. First of all, understand that if you're an experienced trader, a lot of the stuff in this Futures Basics course is going to be review. If you want a refresher about what are futures, why I particularly trade futures and why I love them so much, and again, a lot of the basics and the ins and outs, go ahead and go through this course. If you want to know, again, high detailed levels about futures in general, again, this is going to be great for you. If you're already an experienced trader, I have another free course just like this one that I'm working on. This is kind of my Futures Basics or Futures 101. I will have a Trading Basics or Trading 101. And again, that's something that regardless if you've had any experience in trading, you'll probably want to go through that. Might maybe skip a couple of the first videos of that other course. But again, this is going to be for those that want the deep dive, big picture on futures specifically. You'll want to dive into this course. If you want more like, hey, let's get into the trading, that'll be the Trading Basics or Trading 101, whatever I decide to call it course, which I'll link to in the description down below. So before we jump in here, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to go down on YouTube, click the link in the description to get access to the free members area. So you get access to slides, any of the PDFs, guides, checklists, anything else that's, again, other resources, anything else that's in this course, you will be able to get access to. And again, the biggest thing is notification of my free live trainings. Never miss a live training, get notified and show up and be able to ask me questions, be able to see what I'm doing in the live markets in that particular moment. So without further ado, let's jump in. What are futures? So imagine you are a farmer planting corn, right? You know when it's time to harvest, corn prices might drop, which could hurt your income. So you make a deal to sell your corn to a buyer in 6 months, but at today's price. So that's a futures contract in its simplest form, a way to lock in prices for the future, regardless of what the market does. Now, this could be used in a lot of other assets. This could be oil, metals, indices like the S&P 500 or whatever. Me personally, futures are my number one trading instrument. And to see how this differs from Forex, options, and others, and check out my YouTube channel. I'll be going into this in these videos as well in greater detail. So here's how it works in practice. And actually, before I get into this, I should just kind of go back here and say again, in the financial world, again, this could be not just corn, but oil, metals, S&P 500. A futures contract is just simply an agreement between two parties. One agrees to buy, and the other agrees to sell an asset at a set price on a specific date in the future. So this agreement locks in a price so both parties can plan accordingly. Now, here's how it works in practice. If you think the price of oil is going to go up, you might go long. Right now, meaning you buy a futures contract today, betting you can sell it at a profit later. And if you think prices are going to drop in the future, you could go short, selling now with plans to buy back at a lower price. So again, this is just a random screenshot that I took of me trading the NASDAQ, where if I had gotten in here, this is the entry. I don't know if you can even see my mouse here, but right where the green and red meet, that's the entry there. My stop loss would have been at the bottom red, and then the long buy, I'd be selling at the top of that. And then short, again, would be selling at the top and buying back at the bottom. As long as you're in the green here and you've got, a trade that opens right here at the open, right where the intersection of that green and red box is, the bottom is where your take profit is. You're going to earn a profit on that. You're going to be in the profit, so to speak. So again, you can make money in the markets no matter which direction the price is heading. This is highly useful. And that is it. That should be it for the first video here. So futures is going to allow you to profit from, again, both rising and falling prices, making it a versatile tool for traders. And as we move forward, we're going to learn how futures fit into the larger financial markets and why they're so widely used. So go ahead, click on the next video, and we will see you there.